Little Krishna and the Fruit Seller Woman. One day, little Krishna and his best friend Radha took the cows for grazing. They went near a waterfall. It was a beautiful place. The colorful sky, lovely birds, ducks and fishes swimming in the water, squirrels on the trees, rabbits running around, and the beautiful butterflies made the place mesmerizing. The cows were enjoying their time in the green fields. Radha said, "Krishna, look around. It is such a lovely place, isn't it?" "Yes, Radha, it is indeed a wonderful place. I wish there was some music playing. We could have enjoyed the sight even more. I can play some music for you." Krishna took his flute and started playing. Krishna's smooth music was very pleasing to the ears. The birds and animals around were also enjoying the music. Radha was very happy. After some time, they decided to go back home. Both of them walked through the jungle and reached the village. Radha said goodbye to Krishna and both of them went their way. In Mathura, there was an old woman who was a fruit seller. She used to go from house to house and sell fruits. She had heard about little Krishna and his stories from people. She decided to visit Krishna's house and meet the lovely boy. One day, Yashoda was churning milk into butter. Krishna was waiting for his mother to finish so that he could get some butter to eat. Yashoda knew what Krishna was thinking. She smiled at Krishna and said, "I know what are you waiting for, but you will have to wait for some more time. I will give you some butter as soon as it is ready." Just then, they heard a woman's voice. "Mangoes! Fresh mangoes!" Krishna ran to see who it was. He saw an old woman carrying 2 baskets full of mangoes on her head. Nand, Krishna's father, was sitting outside on the yard of the house. He called out for that woman. Even Yashoda came out to see who was it. The old woman came to Krishna's house. As soon as the woman came to their house, the entire house was filled with the sweet aroma of ripe mangoes. The old woman sat down and kept her baskets next to her. Everyone was happy to see such ripe, juicy mangoes. Krishna was delighted. He was just waiting for his chance to eat the mangoes. Those were the days when people would barter goods instead of using money to pay. Goods were generally exchanged for grains and other farm products. Nand went inside the house and bought a basket full of grains. He kept the basket in front of the fruit seller and said, "Will this basket of grains be sufficient payment for 1 basket of mangoes?" The fruit seller was delighted to receive a basket full of grains in exchange for a basket of mangoes. She said, "Most people generally offer me only half a basket of grains for these mangoes. You are very generous. I shall be happy to exchange 1 basket of mangoes for this much grain." Krishna was watching his father carefully as he carried out the barter. Though he was still a small boy, he understood that mangoes could be bought in exchange for grain. He wanted to buy some mangoes on his own. He ran inside the house. He picked up as much grain as he could in his hands. With tightly closed fists to ensure that not a single grain fell out of his hands, Krishna ran towards the fruit seller. He offered the contents of his hands to the fruit seller. This was the first time the old woman took a careful look at Krishna. She was mesmerized by his dark eyes and innocent smile. For a moment, she forgot everything around her and was unable to take her gaze off Krishna. Krishna said in his innocent voice, "Can I have some mangoes in exchange for these grains?" Saying this, he emptied the contents of his fists into the fruit seller's hand. His little hands could grab only a few grains. Krishna realized that with so few grains, he may not be able to buy any mangoes. He became sad. The fruit seller noticed the disappointment on Krishna's face. She happily put the grains given by Krishna in her sack and gave Krishna 2 juicy mangoes. Krishna's joy saw no bounds. He was so happy that he started dancing. He was extremely delighted, and so was everyone around him. Suddenly, a sparkling light flashed. The basket of grains given by Nand to the fruit seller turned into a basket full of gold coins and precious gems. The fruit seller could not believe her eyes. She looked at Krishna, who was smiling at her. At that instant, she realized that he was no ordinary boy, but God himself. Krishna ran to Radha's house. He gave her 1 mango. Both of them happily ate the mangoes.
I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video. Please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and watch more interesting videos.